Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on DML commands in SQL. My name is Praful Rathore and in the next few minutes we will be diving into one of the most important aspects of working with databases, data manipulation language or DML. Whether you are creating a student management system, an e-commerce site or a banking app, if your application involves a database, you will definitely need DML commands. So let's get started. What is DML? DML stands for Data Manipulation Language. It's a subset of SQL used to manipulate the data stored in relational database tables. DML doesn't change the structure of the table. That does DDL, Data Definition Language. Instead, DML lets us add new records, modify existing records, delete records, retrieve data from database. So main DML commands are insert, update, delete, and select. So let's now understand each one in detail with example. So first we will go with insert command. The insert command is used to add new rows into a table. You must specify the table name, column names, and the values you want to insert. So we can go with the example query. Let's insert into table. Uh, so we were going with insert query. Uh, we will use insert into students and column name, student ID, comma name, and their values, which will be one comma. That's all the name. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, this was our insert command. This command adds a new student record with ID 1 and name Praful. Okay, and you must insert values in the same order as the columns listed. Okay, so our next query will be with update. So update command which is used to change existing data. So update table name, students, and set and which column do we want to change, and it will be as we can take as name equals to, we can go with like Harsh. Okay, so name equals to Harsh, where name equals to, no, we can go with ID equals to 1. Yeah, yeah, it's completely running. We can check through this. Select all from students. Yeah, it's changed. Okay, so now we will go with next command, and that will be delete command. The delete command is used to remove records from a table, and its syntax is delete from table name, where, and its condition. So we can go with the example. Let's take it, delete from students, where student ID equals to 1. We are done. And now we can check it. Yeah, it's an empty table. This deletes the student record with ID 1. Okay. So our last command will be select command. As we can see, our table is empty. So we will be inserting details into it. Harsh, Yeah, we have inserted the rows. Now we will go with our select command. Select ID from students where ID equal to 1. Sorry, I'm just a little bit confused. What? Yeah, it's completely running. I was just confused with my wrong column names. So, uh, so let's go with the summary. Let's quickly recap the DML commands we covered. First was insert, add new data, update, modify existing data, delete, remove data, and select, retrieve data. These commands are the backbone of any application that works with a database. Mastering them is your first step toward becoming a database expert. So let's conclude this. Thank you so much for watching this video on DML commands and SQL. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how to use insert, update, delete, and select. If you found this helpful, please feel free to like, share, or comment below with any questions. Keep learning and practicing, and I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.